Pinoy Kare-Kare! Hello! This is Chris, your KUYA PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel! Today, may bago na naman ako ibabahagi sa inyo na pwede mong ihanda sa iyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan. This is my own version of Pinoy Kare-Kare. Come and join me as I show you step by step how I cook my own version of Pinoy Kare-Kare. Friends who have requested this video. Special mention to Sister Ana Margarita of Melaka, Malaysia. And of course, hello to Brother Bing and Sister Lynn Girit. And of course, special birthday greetings to Sister Donna Campos. Sister Donna, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis. And of course, special mention to my San Diego family in Bulacan who have requested this video at mahilig kumain ng kare-kare. Joy, San Diego, Paula, and Franzane, thank you so much. And of course, Gian and Daphne Renee San Diego, thank you so much, guys. And of course, AJ San Diego, please subscribe to his channel. He is my pamangkin in Lubo, Batangas. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much to all my friends and newfound friends on YouTube and other platforms. Thank you so much for subscribing and for believing in me. And keep on trusting. Thank you so much. And if you haven't, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click the bell button for you to be notified for all the upcoming videos.
Pakukuluan. Yan natin yung ating sibuyas. Ating bawang. Asin. And paminta. Okay. Then adjust yung apoy into low medium. Yan. Yung takpan. And then hintayin lang natin siyang maging mag-tender yung ating meat. Alright. Okay, see you. First is yung ating 1 cup na rice flour. Yan. Hingga yung apoy dapat. Okay, that's good enough. That's already light brown. You see? Okay, then we just set it aside, and then next na lutuin natin yung ating bagoong. Right, we put some oil. Okay, put it our onion, sibuyas. Leave for a few seconds, and then we put in our garlic, our bawang. Okay, then we just add on our bagoong. Give it a mix for a bit, and we let it cook for a few minutes. Just leave it there for a few minutes. After a few minutes, we just mix it a bit. Then let's check if luto na yung ating bagoong. Almost there. Okay, and then we'll just set it aside. In an empty clean pan, we just put in a bit of oil. Just add on our onion, our KUYA. Give it a mix. And then we just add on our garlic, our bawang. And then we just add on yung ating napakuluan at napalambutan na baboy, yung ating pork leg. Right. Yan. That's mix of pork legs, and naglagay ako ng pork belly. Kasi gusto ng aking mga kasamahan na mayroong laman ng konti. Yan. But nevertheless, pwede na yung pork legs. Yan. Okay. So just give it a mix a bit. Alright. Okay. Next to this is yung ating Anato Seed. Yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng hot na mainit na oil para lumabas yung kanyang color. Yan. Just need to strain it. Hindi kailangan mailagay yung seed kasi mag-iba yung lasa din. And then you could still reuse this. Add another oil, and then you can just you know, save this for the next recipe that you're going. Okay, this is just to add color. Okay, and look at that. Wow. And then immediately I will add on my peanut butter. This is just 2 tablespoons. Yan. Hindi ko siya masyadong ginamitan ng maraming peanut butter kasi mas masarap yung mismo ang maglapot nito ay yung mismong yung taba ng baboy. Sa pagbaka ang ginamit niyo ay yung collagen, yung mismong taba din ng baka ang magpapalapot ng inyong recipe, ng inyong kare-kare. Okay? Look at that. The color was so good. And it smells good. Alright? You just leave it for a few minutes until ma-incorporate ang Anato seed and the peanut butter sa ating meat. Okay? Leave it for a few minutes, and then while waiting, you just prepare your slurry. Okay, yung slurry natin is yung ating ginawang rice flour kanina, and then yung inyong natira sa inyong pinakuluan sa inyong meats. Yan ang magiging sabaw ng ating kare-kare. Okay. I'll just add on yung sabaw ng ating natira kanina sa ating pagpakulo, pagpalambot ng ating baboy. I'll just add on. You just give it a mix. Yes. Look at that. Wow. So colorful. Okay. Ready na po yung ating slurry. Ang ating slurry, yung ating binabad sa ating apoy kanina na rice flour. And then, sinabawan natin yung sabaw ng ating pinakuluan na ginamit sa pagpakulo ng ating baboy kanina. Okay, that's the slurry. So, medyo maiamoy na siya kasi naibabad nyo sa apoy kanina yung inyong rice flour. So it adds the smells and it entices the recipe. Yan. Okay? You slowly add as needed. So you don't need to put in everything. Okay? It has to be a little bit thick. Okay? So ang ating apoy ay just maintain sa low kasi luto na po yan lahat. So, and then earlier I already blanched yung ating mga veggies. Like this one, ito yung puso ng saging or yung heart ng banana. I just add on a bit and then magtira lang ako para sa ating garnish. Okay? And then I also add the eggplant. Na-blanch ko na din. Then I just add on a bit of sitaw, yung long bean. Yan. And then yung ating Pechay Baguio. Okay. More veggies, huh? So yummy. I like more veggies. I like it. And then yung mga natira ninyo na veggies, I will just use it later para sa ating garnishing. Okay? You can serve it with the veggies on the side. Okay? And look at that. Yes. We make a good recipe today. A good ulam for our lunch. It's very late ready. Late lunch. And then, after this, ang pinaka last touch ko ay no, it's not really last touch, but ang pang flavor ko lang nito is yung ating pates. Yan. Yung ating fish sauce. Okay? I just add on fish sauce. It's about 1 tablespoon. Yan. Not necessarily na marami ang inyong fish sauce kasi may bagoong tayo on the side. So, yeah. So, take note that it is very salty. So, yeah. Alright. And then, my last touch is actually this one. And look at that. That's our Kare-Kare. And our last touch is actually, naglalagay ako ng yung dinurog na peanut. Yan. Okay? That is just to add texture sa ating Kare-Kare. Okay? Yan, but this one is optional. Depende yan sa inyo, but I liked it when you know, pagkakain mo ay may makakagat ka na, wow, it's like medyo malutong ng konti. So that's the peanut. Yeah. We're ready to go and we're ready to serve our Kare-Kare. Alrighty. Look at that. So yummy. Smells good. Right. Okay, we're ready for plating and yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I hope you liked it and I hope you get something out from this video guide. And I see you next time. Do not forget to comment, like, and share. So much guys and I hope to see you again next time. And wherever you are right now, please always keep safe and always wear your sweetest smile to bring more positivity in life. Alright? And always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka!